I
Listen,
don't want him
Brad,
as a support.
Brad, I got
No!
you. I got you.
Damn it! This sucks.
I got you.
Oh no, I don't want you to be. No!
Okay,
Brad.
you got him, Ruben?
No!
Okay,
I'm
yo,
banned, Blue.
yo.
Don't ban me. I swear to God.
Spicy bot lane, I'm feeling it.
You got him, Ruben?
I got him.
Well, you know what? I have him.
Wait, you piece of shit. If
Better
it wasn't
game.
for the laws of this land, I too would. God damn it! I'm against the Zoe.
Deschanel?
No, you're against the Taric.
You're looking at me. How'd you get scared?
All right, what's scarier, a fish or a cat? A little girl or a
Can you
rat?
say it again to Ruben? Please tell Ruben to say it to my face.
Say it to his face, pussy boy.
Oh god. Oh shit.
Now can you say a
You got it, right?
Oh god, why is there so much
You
pain
guys
right
getting
now?
on bot lane?
Oh,
shit.
toss that bitch.
Oh, I fucked up.
You did, but that's okay. We can turn. We can turn. Oh,
Alright, let's
that's
flash
fine.
Tart. Let's go.
Let me get Gromp and then I'll come king.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Let me get you a cannon stack, if you will. I want this Leo to go on top of you.
Like that. Am I gonna die?
Yeah.
I am gonna die. And I think you will too.
No, dude, look, cause I am the best. Who wants to bang me though? Real talk.
We could do that.
Listen, I'm not into that. I'm into Bukaki only. I mean,
Alright, well, that's
We could get some buka. I can learn.
Well, I'll tell you what, you already have 2 volunteers for the
Mingo, are you down for the Bukaki circle?
Am I? Do I have to be?
Yeah. Don't
Yeah,
worry,
I choose to not be.
it's back to back though.
That's
What do you mean
okay.
back to back?
That's
Like-
pretty good.
Like your back's on someone else's back while my back's on someone else's back, and
That's
then
not bad.
we bareback each other.
And it's not gay because we're barebacking each other.
Oh, I'm away of a Warwick. I'm away. Hey, Ruben, fight him.
And my people. Might get touched by Rengar. Coming in hot. Coming hot. Wait, no, that's up!
See you later, nerd.
I didn't even get assist for that because of that.
See you later, nerd.
That was really questionable.
Don't
Somebody
worry,
mad.
I won't be right here.
Fucking mad.
I have ult, so you guys should be fine if something comes. Actually, I'm not up for 13 seconds.
I don't want to do this.
Why?
Anymore. I don't want to do this. Oh god.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna die. Protect
Flash.
me. My body. Tell me no, fuck my body.
Hey, you got it.
Alright, come on, yeah!
Holy shit, Ruben got fucked up.
Why am I the one always getting sleepy?
Oh no. Oh no, eat me, Ruben! Eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me! And now we run.
Together we run because we are brothers. You piece
See you
of
later,
shit!
Ah, run!
Well,
I'm having a bro moment right now.
Well, I mean, I've had.
Corta,
Now I have.
corta, corta,
Corta, corta.
corta,
damn.
corta.
Hey, you're about to get fucked, Ruben.
I know I am.
stab his ass. Stab his ass, Ruben.
Corta.
Go. Go,
Why
go.
did you go invisible? You fucked up.
No, I didn't. Now I'll go invisible. They won't
Bitch,
find
you
me.
did.
Bitch, you
Bitch,
dissed.
better have my money.
Oh, tongue him!
Fucking
Tongue lash him.
cheated. Alright.
1, 2,
Oh, Zoe, Zoe, Zoe.
1.
Come here, bitch. I got a
Two.
phone to pick with you. You one shot me one too many times. Get me back in on this. Alright, get me back in on this. Alright, let's...
Ever question the Tom Keck?
God, we do. We need to keep stalling them out.
I should stop dying. That's what I should
I mean,
do.
I didn't want to say anything, but
Holy shit! I just noticed.
And just two. Holy shit.
Holy shit! You guys are fucking triplets.
Hell yeah, dude.
All right, keep going, keep going. We don't stop. We don't sleep.
Okay.
Operation
sleep.
Rolling Train.
okay.
Hell
I'm gonna ward.
I like...
This is Operation Rolling Train. Either we get an inhib or we all die. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. This tower's ours.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Keep it going. We either take an inhib or we fucking 50-50. Oh my god, I got instant popped.
A few moments later.
Stop the boards! Ultimate.
Oh wait, he lost vision.
Oh no. Oh no.
All right, now get executed in the mid lane. Get
Alright,
executed
it's
in the
good,
mid lane.
it's good.
Get
I'll die
executed.
for the inhib, I don't
no,
give
no,
a
no,
fuck.
do.
Alright, now go top lane. Go top lane. Go top lane. Go top lane. Go top lane.
This one? Oh, I can
You don't have enough time. You don't have enough time.
Oh, I can change it. I'm a fucking wrecking ball. Watch it, I'm gonna get it.
Holy shit.
Oh fuck, dude.
Shit.
Do it. Let's go. Go for it. Just go for it.
I'm gonna end the game, they can't stop me.
Oh, don't die.
Yeah!
Oh fuck yeah! Holy shit, you're a fucking beast.
Man. He's the man. He's the legend. He's a fucking legend.
This game's turning on its heads, boys.
You know, it would be really useful if I built this easy.
Would it though?
It would be really funny.
Would it though?
Not wrong. Use my ult. Do it, do it. Alright, I'm gonna ult it. I'm ulting in.
Then please for the love of God tank this thing.
Yeah, I'm tanking it, but it keeps going for. Hold on, I got this.
Why would you do this to me?
What, did you want to die?
No.
Wait, hold on, I got a plan.
I'll go bot.
It sounds stupid, but hear me out on this.
No. 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 Just no. Fuck
Hear
off,
me
no.
out on this.
Oh
Fuck
shit.
it.
I'm fucking in it, man. I'm fucking in it.
Fuck it. Let's go. Fuck it.
Hell yeah.
We ride together. We die together.
Up, up, up. Ah!
Woo! Stop them. Stop them. Oh, I almost killed him. Fuck him up. Eat his ass. Eat his ass.
I
Eat
think.
his ass, Tom Keck. Eat his ass.
Oh my God! You have a Zera. You dropped the Zera. Holy shit.
Daddy's gummies.
Don't die to them. Don't
No,
let them
Ruben.
kill
It's
you.
fine if Ruben dies. It's fine if Ruben dies.
Oh, I wanted you to swallow him whole, baby. Look at these dodging. Holy moly.
This game's still fucking going.
This is our game, Mingus.
Oh god, this is gonna be over an hour.
It's a fucking 56-minute game. I've been playing this for an hour.
Damn it.
Okay. We got it. Wait. Rengar just killed himself.
Wait, what about our
Okay, you got
super
22
minions?
seconds. You got 20 seconds. Can you do it?
You didn't notice the bot lane that's slowly.
They haven't noticed bot lane. They haven't noticed bot lane. Alright, Twitch, just open up on them as soon as you
I'm
respawn.
coming in!
Flash in and just fucking try.
Flash and ult! Flash and ult! Flash and
Open
ult!
up, open up, go for
Who was your GA?
I don't
it.
know.
Oh my God, Quadro!
Holy shit!
He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it!
Look at the base! Look at the base! Look at the base!
Holy shit!
Run!
Run to the base! Just run to the base!
Kill him! Kill it! Kill it! We got this! Come on! Come on! Oh,
You have 19 seconds! 19
18
seconds!
seconds! Oh, gotta go!
Use my ult to get in there. Oh god.
Oh, my ult's
Get
not.
it in
My
there. Go,
ult's
go,
not
go,
long
go,
enough.
go, go.
My ult's
10,
not long enough.
9, 8.
Don't worry, I have ZZ Rappa. I don't think I can make it in time.
Oh, on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in there, finish it, kill, go, go, go. Oh!
Kill him, kill him, kill him! Kill his ass, kill his ass!
Oh! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy shit! Holy shit, I know! That was way too long of a game!
Holy
I
fuck.
want to shoot myself!
Oh my god!
You know what? You're the hero of the game!
Oh my god!
Where's the hero button? I need a
Holy
hero
shit,
button.
dude.
Oh god!